Well, all right, welcome back. I really hope you are trying these tricks and making them and fooling your friends and family. I'm going to show you a money trick. This is something you can carry around with you all of the time, and it's really easy to do. So let's go. Once a magician told me, how can a magician make $1 million? Well, he actually has to start out with $2 million, you see? Because this stuff costs a lot of money, you see? But look, this is how I make my money right there. Just don't tell anybody, you see? You can turn a $1 bill into a $100 bill. Pretty cool, huh? You want to learn how this is done? Well, I am going to teach you. Just make sure your friends aren't around. Here we go. All right, you're still here, which means you really like magic. Thanks a lot for sticking around. I really appreciate it. Now, if you stay to the end, I'm going to be giving this $100 bill away. All right, settle down. It's not real. Look, it's play money. I use it all the time. Really easy, really cool. So stick around, and at the end, I will tell you how to win this. Let me show you how this works. Here's what you need. Unfortunately, you actually need 2 bills, okay? I like to use a smaller denomination and then use something bigger. It doesn't have to be 100, it can be a 20 or even a 10 will look good, okay? But what actually happens is there's 2 bills that are stuck together. It's folded up like this. This one is stuck right back there like this, okay? So let me go down here to the table and I'm going to show you how to make this. Well, all right, so here is how it works. You need 2 different bills, of course, and a double-sided sticky tape, a magician's best friend. Always have this around, okay? Now, it's easier to do them with them both like this so you can get the same exact folds. So you go to fold this all the way over like this, then you fold this one. Now, it's better to use more crisp bills. That way you get a really good fold. These bills here, this one's a little bit wrinkly, so I stayed away from that one, okay? So you do that, and then we're going to turn them over like this and fold again. Crease them really good, like that, all right? Then you go to fold down and crease that really good. Same way right there. Perfect, okay? Now all you're gonna do is, I'll open up the dollar bill like this, and you're gonna tape the $100 bill right here, okay? I'll just put a little bit of tape on here. That way you can take it off and use it later. But this is really nice. It's a nice trick to carry around in your wallet. Or you can have it in your pocket because it's always going to be flat and it'll play big. Okay? So what you're going to do is, there's a few different ways you can do this. But I like to just put it on there like that. Okay? So, and what's going to happen is, this is your view of what actually happens. I fold it in like this. Okay, then I fold it again. And I fold this end down. And then I'm just going to cover it, and as I cover the front end of the bill, I'm going to flip that and open it up just like a door. Okay, and then you open this back up. It's kind of hard to do it this way without, yeah, there we go. Just like that, okay? So watch, I'll show you again. All right, you got the bill there. You want to make sure the bill is hidden behind the other one like this. Okay, that way you can't see it this way. I can see it just a little bit right there, okay? So you fold it again, come down. As I come down, I go ahead and open it up like this. That way you have it like that. Now let me show you the front view. Okay, the good thing about the double-sided tape is, I forgot to mention, this has to be turned around this way, okay? Flap up, okay? And then you position it to where you can't see it. That's why I like the double-sided tape. That way you can take it off and adjust it. All right, just like that, okay? Now I'm going to show you from the front view. As I go like this, you see I cover it up. Now, both of my hands are kind of mirroring each other, right? Then I come back around like this, but I do it really fast. It looks good, okay? But see how my hands mirror each other? If my right hand was to go like this, that looks so suspicious, you see? Because it would look like I'm covering up something, okay? So I like to mirror each side, okay? All right, so I go like this, boom, come back around, boom. You just do it really fast. You don't gotta say, look on this side or anything like that. You just do it, they'll see it, okay? Then I fold again, fold down. Now, in one continuous motion, I go ahead and fold again, And I'm going to grab the $100 bill as I open it. And there you go, just like that. See? And there you go. You show both of your hands are kind of empty, but see how it flapped open like that? You want to kind of keep your hand there like this, okay? And then you just put it up and you don't say anything, and then you go on. I really hope you try this. It's really fun, easy to do. Try this at a store. If something costs 20 bucks, you can change the $1 into a 20. Now, the good thing about the double-sided tape is that since it's double-sided tape, it comes off really easy, okay? So if I have the 20 back here behind the $1 bill or 100, whatever, I can actually, before I hand that to the cashier, I can just pull that off. Look, I pull it off like that, hand it to them. They're going to remember you, believe you me. Oh yeah, they'll remember you for sure. But try this out. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you and answer it to help you out. But hopefully I explained this very well for you. But try it out. Fool your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. And if you want to win this $100 bill, play money. Believe me, if I had a bunch of money, I'd hand it out to all my friends. Just leave a comment down below you would like to have the play money, and I'll pick a lucky winner and mail this out to you. But thank you guys so much. Hopefully you are a subscriber. If not, go ahead and subscribe for me. I do all kinds of easy tricks like this. So I hope to see you guys next time. God bless you, and I will see you soon.